Hi everyone, it's Shell from Scrap Secrets and Brownie. And for today's video, we're going to do a quick haul on the My Monthly December Hero Arts kit that we just got in the mail today. So Brownie wanted to come up and say hi. He has been jumping up and onto my desk and in my lap, so I thought that I would have him in the video for a couple seconds. He'll probably drop down, but he does love to just kind of sit on my shoulder, so he might just stay there. So the kit is in a large bag this month because there's a lot of good stuff in there. Oh, I'm going to start off with the inspiration card. So here is what comes every month. There is some inspiration for the classic kit as well as the premium kit. So the first two rows are inspiration from the classic kit products, and then the bottom row is with the premium kit as well as the classic kit. So premium is the classic plus some other things, so I'll walk you through that in a minute. So the first thing that you are going to get is this amazing 8x10 stamp set. So I love this. It has letters and then an image on there for each letter. So you have some of the traditional ones like B is for balloon, but A is for acorn. You don't usually hear that. It's usually A is for apple. So there are some traditional and then some non-traditional images on here. So I love this. And then there is a cover plate die, which is here, and all of the letters are all mixed up. And what I noticed is that these letters cut out, it looks like they will cut out the letter here perfectly, or you can cut these out and then stamp on here. So it looks like they will fit perfectly together. Now, this may be something that they talked about in the release video, but I did not watch those. I actually usually forget that until I get the notice saying your Hero Arts thing has order has shipped, and I'm like, oh yeah, I have a kit coming this month. So totally forget about it. Oops, go ahead, get down, Bran. So he likes to hang out with me sometimes. Okay, the next is a 10-pack of watercolor pencils. And what I just realized is that in my entire Christmas series, I have not done one video with watercolor. I don't remember, but I don't think I have. So, which I have one more video left to do, which is crazy. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I will leave a link below to the intro video as well as Marie's channel. Marie and I are doing a collaboration of 25 days of Christmas inspiration. So make sure you guys check it out if you haven't already. But I have not done any Inktense watercolor pencils. So I might have to do one and try these out. So there are 10 colors and you can kind of see them here on the lid. So that's really nice. And then in this pouch here, there are 6 sheets of 8.5 by 11 watercolor cardstock, which is great. So you can get 4 card front panels out of this. That's so much watercolor paper. Absolutely love that. And then the last thing is the watercolor brush, which is somewhere on my desk. Okay. So this is the Hero Arts one. I've used water brushes in the past and I don't like them. I don't feel like I have as good of control of getting the water flow out of them. But what I will say about these is it's great if you put some water down on your glass media mat or whatever surface you're using and pick a little bit of that water up and then use that to do it. So kind of use it just like a paintbrush instead of filling this barrel up with water. I don't have good luck with it, but there are people who do. So it's probably, I'm going to say it's user error. I'm not even going to say probably. It is user error. So that's everything that is in the classic kit. The premium kit comes with all of this stuff, plus a 4x6 numbers clear stamp set, a fine line applicator. I'm guessing that's like one of these fine line applicators for your glitter glue or things like that, but I'm not sure. Again, I haven't watched the video. Sea salt re-inker, 0.5 ounces, and then gold glimmer metallic ink. So that's what's included for this month. Here again is the inspiration card. I love that there are some like starter ideas on here and then the things that come in the kit. So that is everything for the kit for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Promised it would be a quick video. I've had some longer ones lately with all the projects that we've been doing, but make sure you check out the intro video to the the craft series because there are some giveaways that are closing in a little over a week and you don't want to miss out on that. So thank you guys for watching. If you have comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below and I'll see you again real soon for another video. Bye!